Well, good morning. Welcome back to the tavern and the Oasis. It is December 27th, 2020, and Christmas is past. Boxing Day specials are done, and another day. I just got a few minor things to do. I picked myself up a Boxing Day special yesterday. I got a heater for the greenhouse, a propane powered heater, which is doing fantastic. I managed to get the temperature of the greenhouse way up, and it held not too bad overnight, especially with the addition of the little heater I have set on a timer to run between 3 and 6 a.m. to give it that extra boost of heat right at the critical morning hours when it's coldest. So it's looking pretty good. The greenhouse is finally coming together, and it'll be perfectly organized by the time I got to start making plant starts in about 3 weeks. End of January, beginning of February, I'll start planting seeds and get plants started and growing. So all of that's come together. I've still got a few things to do in the Oasis. You can see in the background here, there's still some snow on the ground, so there's really no opportunity for me to do anything in the beds. I've got 3.5 beds that I've got to rip some 4 beds. Sorry, I got 4 beds. Got 4 beds left. I got to rip some stuff out, churn the soil in there, chew in some composted mix and some worm poop, and get that all prepped up for springtime when I can start putting plants in it. You know, I've got so many plants that are gone. I've got to go through the Oasis here and trim plants and put things back in order. It's been a pretty rough winter for many things. On the whole, not too bad. I've been quite pleased with everything I've learned this winter and with everything I learned last year. So applying all that knowledge I got last year to this next year, I expect to have a more than bountiful garden this year. So the Oasis is going to produce a lot of extra food. I might even be able to take some of it to the market and sell it, which will be really kind of cool. I'll be rather excited about that. Other than that, everything else is doing well. Hope everyone had themselves a Merry Christmas out there. New Year's just around the corner. I won't be coming to you from the Oasis on New Year's. I've decided to stay at home for New Year's this year and just sort of enjoy myself. But I am going to do a live stream New Year's Eve. And that live stream, I don't expect it to be very well attended, but I'm going to do it anyway. I think I'm going to pull my daughter in and we'll have some conversations, and it'll be a little bit weird is basically how it's going to go, because she'll be at her place on Discord, I'll be at my place, we'll be drinking rum and chatting, and well, when I start drinking rum, I get chatty, and I really get chatty when I start drinking rum. So it'll be lots of fun. Everyone will enjoy themselves, and who knows, I might even get a little crazy with it, and I might include some snippets from my Sunday morning service I used to do. Anyway, look forward to that. Those of you out there, hey, make sure you take a few moments, subscribe to the channel, all of that good jazz. You know, get notifications, spread the word, tell folks about this. I know it sounds like begging. Well, it is actually begging. I'm begging you, please, oh please, go out there and do that. All right, seriously. You know, and that's really it. So I guess that's all for now. Take care. Bye-bye.